Hello, this is Squabble321, and I just put in a new CPU fan that I've had for about the last 7 months. I just not bothered to do. So I used some Arctic Silver 5, and this is the old stock cooler, default Intel for the Core or i7 core or whatever. So this is the computer itself. It's using an Exola wind tunnel, and I took out a whole bunch of dust today. So here's the case. PSU's right here, 750 watt. Of course, this is where my CPU fan is kind of at. I'm using 2 DVI for my two 24-inch screens, which are wonderful. So inside I have a really cool heatsink. I think I put the fan backwards because I meant to have the air blowing out, but instead it's sucking in. So I pretty much have air completely going in, but no air going out. I'm going to need to solve that soon. So I have 3 gigabytes of RAM, triple channel at 1.6 gigahertz. I currently have the CPU running at 4 gigahertz, overclocked of course. The heatsink's not too hot. The fan on the GPU, which is a NVIDIA 9800 GTX Plus 512 megabyte card, actually is the loudest thing in here. I have 2 512s in a RAID 0 configuration, and then I kind of have this 250 gigabyte 2.5 inch drive kind of there because I plan to do something with it eventually. I have a pretty much simple kind of light on type of thing with the DVD burner. It's pretty decent. This is a MSI X58 motherboard, Platinum Edition or whatever. It's not all that special. I mean, it has some really nice buttons like an on-off reset and a BIOS reset thing on the back. So that's really all I have to show you inside the case, really. I have 2 giant fans here, which I can use to cool off, but they blow in instead of out. Still need to figure out how to reverse the flow. So I have that with, right now it's on screensaver, but I'm running Linux, and let's see, 6 atoms of element 117 produced according to Slashdot. Then I have a UPS down here, uninterruptible power supply, and currently it says I'm using 245 or so watts of electricity. I can last for, let's see here, 8 minutes. If I turn off my screens, that number should go up. Well, it should anyway. Estimated runtime in minutes. Well, now it's 29. So I'm currently using 160 watts and a load of 20%. If I'm over 100%, it cannot accurately or, well, keep the system running correctly. At currently 122 volts at 60 hertz. So that's that right there. And my keyboard is in Dvorak. Most of the keys are gone. And I have, of course, the symbols on. And that's it with my awesome headphones too. This is Squabble321 signing off.